Dad's VHS? What are these? Doesn't matter, I have an idea. I'm going to make them useful. Now stick them together. Yeah, now that's a real man's shelf. Nice. Okay, what do I do now? I guess I could play it. What? You have to be so annoying.
Well, yeah.
I just can't stand you anymore. Oh my god, this is so relaxing. Oh, I love this sound. I think I just might. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put it here and make the best decoration.
Funny? I wonder if... Oh, yes. I'm going to decorate my part of the room to be so pretty. There it is. It worked. Wow. I'm going to put it up here. I feel like a real princess. And of course, my love. No, go away.
Now you're even cooler.
My elephant.
He's mine now.
No, he's not. Give him back now. My elephant. Oh, but wait. I see. Wow, this is so beautiful. There's always an opportunity in every situation, even the bad ones. My room is so beautiful. I wonder what other ideas I will have. Oh, here comes one. And I know exactly what to do with this. I'm going to use these tubes to make the most awesome room decoration ever. Can you guess what is it going to be? OMG, this rainbow is so cute! I have decorated my room to look magical and dreamy. Now I can sleep peacefully.
Look at her. She's so lame. Wait, what is that? Wait a minute. I think... Yeah, like I thought. Genius. Now my room looks so cool. Ha! That's not all. I have more material to work with. Now that is what a room should look like. Cool. This is priceless. Hey sis, look what I have.
Aw, what is that? It's so pretty. Give it to me.
Yeah, sure. Come and get it.
I love candy.
Gotcha! It's just a spider. Chill. Good one, Justin. I know, I'm hilarious. This pillow won't do. I need to upgrade it. And this glitter foam will do the trick. I need to cut out a circle and then cut it in half. I'll start with this piece. First, I'll shape it into a cone. A little glue will hold it in place. This is perfect. Ooh, pointy. Now I'll put it onto the pillow. It's not finished yet. That's more like it. Yeah!
Aw, baby, you're so adorable. Huh? That pillow is so dark and scary. My pillow will be cute. Just like me. I know just what to do. I'll stick the heart to it, and I'll add some ribbons. That's it. I knew it would be cute. Let's try it out. So soft. It's like lying on a cloud. What happened?
Mommy, I did an ouchie. I mean, it's just how I like it. Oh, stop it! Okay, I'm starting to regret this.
Ice cream. And I've got my favorite soda. Oops, that's not very ladylike. I have an idea. A bright idea. I need the top of this bottle. Wow, those bicep curls are paying off. Okay, now I need the spoon. I can't waste any ice cream. I'll snap the spoon in half. This will do. Then I'll put a spot of glue on the bottle and press the spoon onto it. But I need more. At least I'm not using Mom's silverware. I don't need the handle. This is going well. My lamp is finished. Wow! I can't forget the bulb. Now for the finishing touches. I have some cotton. I'll stick it to the top of the lamp. It's so fluffy. I'll hang it right here. Let's switch it on. Wow! It's amazing! It makes the room so cozy. I could look at it all day and night. What's next? Maybe I should...
Oh, my skateboard! I wonder where it was. Thanks, sis. I have an idea. Let's do this. I've borrowed Dad's tools. I'll start by removing the wheels. DIY is so easy. I don't know why Dad complains all the time. I'll put some glue across the board. That should hold the lights in place. Check this out. Haha. Crunchy. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. It's a bit bright. I need my sunglasses.
Smile, kitty! These selfies are great. Huh? Oh, a balloon. Wait, maybe I can make some more. It's worth a try. Wow, do I have superpowers? This is amazing! Yay! More? Look at all these balloons!
Pathetic. Balloons are for little kids. You want to see something really cool? Watch this. It's time for some target practice.
No! My balloons! Why would you do that?
There's more where that came from. You better take cover.
Stop it! Why are you doing this? No! Justin, you're such a piece of...
I won't be long, my darlings. I'm so lucky to have such lovely children.
Pink little pony!
This'll show her. This is the best idea yet. Yeah, she won't suspect a thing. It's the perfect fit. Whoa, just in time.
Look at all these snacks. Just don't tell my dentist. This is tiring. Oh, I need a rest. This is better. Justin!
It's a joke. Relax.
Oh, you're the worst. Huh? Where did he go? My bed! He's ruined it. Oh, my soft, cozy bed. Maybe it's not so bad. I can work with that. And I need my candy. I'll pour my candy into this Justin-shaped hole. Wow! This looks much better than Justin. Now I'll cover it up. No one will ever know. It will be my secret. I can have candy whenever I want. Like right now. So tasty. And it's all mine. You know, Justin did me a favor. Yummy.
It's good to share, Mr. Skull. Now give me the candy. It's so good. What else do you have? Gummy bears instead of brains. Don't mind if I do. These are so good. Oh, bang goes my diet.
Oops. Ick. A pimple.
Huh? I look like a nerd.
Make it go away. There's only one tool for it. Don't squeeze, don't squeeze. Go away. That feels better. Wait, my beautiful skin. It looks worse. I look hideous.
This pimple is ruining my wrap. Sis, you got a pimple too?
I'm so ugly now.
Don't worry. I think I've got something to cover it. Try this.
Edit too? How does it look? It's so nice. Let me help you too. Don't move.
Cool! Thunder! Thanks, sis.
Okay, this is weird. This toy is so squishy. This bed is a little boring. I think I know how to fix it. I need this pillow. Well, I need this stuffing. Look at it! It's so beautiful! I love it! It's like something from a fairy tale!
That's too girly. I need something with a little more heat. This'll do. Time to get to work. Haha, this is gonna be awesome. I'm a cutting machine. Okay, that looks good. Now to paint it. I'm on fire. Haha, that's lit.
Kisses for Daddy? This tickles! Wow, these lights are perfect!
Huh? Hey, my eyes! I'm emo! I'm not supposed to be in bright light! Ooh, that's better. I'm hungry. I'll grab a snack. What treats have you got, Mr. Skull? It's a little gooey in here. Ew, gross! You know, it reminds me of… I'm not eating that. Oh, I know. I'll put some foam in this box, then add a base. I'll put more foam around the sides and line it with the silver card. Then I'll make sections. This is just what I need. Next, I'll attach some hinges. I'll glue them into place. Who needs screws anyway? Then I'll add a glass door. All that's left is to put in a light. A fridge for my snacks. That's pretty cool. Literally.
All right, my darlings. Have a good day.
Bye, Mom! Alright, what should we do now?
Let's go sit in our secret fort room.
Yes! I love this place! Wow, it's like being under a starry sky inside the house! Secret rooms are the best ever!
Wow, I've had a long day. Can't wait to get some sleep. Huh? What was that? Is that a light on in my wardrobe? I guess not. Must have been imagining things. Huh? There's the light again! I knew it! I've gotta hide! What if it's monsters? Well, it doesn't seem like anything's coming out. And I've never seen a monster in there before. Maybe it's not monsters. Maybe it's something else. Okay, I have to be brave. That's all. I can still back out. No, I have to do this. Here I go. Huh. I don't see anything. It's just my clothes in here like always. There's definitely no light, though. Not that I can find. You know what? I know I saw something. I better really examine it. Wait, what the heck? Was that pizza in her hand? No way! It was pizza! And soda! It's like a whole retreat in there! Yeah, well… Look, come in here and have some pizza too! Oh, okay. I don't mind if I do. Wow, the secret room is great! I love all the decorations! This pizza is really hitting the spot too! So good! So now you know about my secret room. Cheers! It's great! Oh, she's totally my favorite right now. I love her hair. Huh? Wait, what's that? Did you see that over there? No, I don't see anything. Anyway, like I was saying, her hair is… No, seriously! Look right over there! Don't you see it? I think there's someone outside the door! Oh my gosh! Who the heck is that? I'm so scared! Oh no! I think they're trying to come in here! Let's get out of here! We have to hide right now! Yeah, but where? Maybe behind the plant? The plant? That's not good enough! Hey! We have to hide in the vents! He'll never find us up there! The vents? Oh, I see! You're right! Let's get up there! You don't think he can hear us crawling around up here, do you? Hey, move over! I'm trying to fit around this corner here! It's no use. We'll have to go together, like this! Ugh, you're in my way! Stop! Let me go first! Stop grabbing me! You're being so annoying! Stop, stop! Look, here's the kitchen! We can check on things from up here. Look, there's the intruder! All I can see is their shadow. Shoot, we still don't know who they are. Whew, it's so chilly out there today. Good thing I wore my sweater. I think I heard talking. I need to listen. Achoo! Are you kidding me right now? Huh? Was that a sneeze I just heard? It's Mom! She spotted us! Pow! Pow! Ha! Take that! I'm totally destroying this level! Hey, I need your help. Peel these veggies for me, please. What? But I hate peeling veggies! That's the worst! And look how big they are! Mom, do I have to? I was playing my game, too! Yes, you do. Now get to work, please. Ugh, I can't believe she's making me do this. I really hate the onions. Now don't take too long with those veggies, Jennifer, okay? I'll be working over here if you need me. Phew. There. Mom, I'm done with all the veggies! Now I can finally go back to playing my game. Hold up there, honey. Look, I made you some lunch. So why don't you take a break and eat this first, okay? You did such a good job with these veggies. Thank you so much. Now she's making me eat food too? The worst. At least it's a sandwich. I do like Sammy's. Last bite. There. What's she up to over there? Oh yes, I've been waiting for your call. Honey, I'll be right over here. Yes! Now's my chance to get back to my game! Just gotta chug this juice and then I'm back at it! Hey, wait a second! There's that cupboard under there! I've got a really great idea! There! Now I've got a comfy little secret room and she'll have no idea where to find me. Thank you. Bye. Okay, back to the dishes. What's that sound I'm hearing? Is it coming from the sink? The plumbing, maybe? No. Oh no! I'm making too much noise! I've gotta be quiet! Huh. It stopped. Guess it was nothing to worry about. Well, back to the dishes, I suppose. They're not gonna wash themselves. And no one else around here is gonna do them either. I swear. Yes! She totally doesn't know I'm under here! Back to my game!